It is Friday. Woohoo! Ready to get this done, boys. Just a couple little things. First of all, we're going to pray for this morning. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this day. Thank you for the hedge of protection you put around me. I thank you for the food that you provided for me today. Thank you for my shelter, and I thank you for my job. Father God, I pray that you would bless the people that watch this video. May they learn something new today, and may they be inspired. I'll give you a word for the day. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I live by those words. Alrighty. Let's get this day started, man. We're going to do grounds. Got to do grounds. I haven't done grounds for like 4 days now. So we're going to go do grounds real quick. Well, it's not quick. It's a 3/4 mile walk. I used to do it every single morning. And then I got wise. I'm like, I don't know. I'll just do this every other day. Anyways, I'm the only one here. So what I got to do is I got to walk this 3/4 mile. Technically, it's a mile because I walk one end and then I walk back. So we're going to walk the grounds. And then we're going to go over Robert Hawk, walk the grounds. I usually just do a drive-by on it. And then we'll go over to the other 3 properties. I'll do a drive-through on them. I do know that there's a trash can. For some reason, somebody put a big trash can out beside the building, or out in front of the building. I don't know. I'm going to get rid of that today. Anyways, we'll do grounds first. The only work order I had come in was I forget what it is. I think it's a dishwasher. I don't know. It's something. It's just, oh no, smoke detector beeping in a hallway. And if you remember the other day, I was over at that girl's apartment, the one with the door lock. I had to replace it. She put in another request for kitchen sink leaking again. Whatever. We'll go see what's going on with that. Alrighty, guys. Let's get this started, man. Get that done. Here. We'll go to the other 3 properties and do the same thing. Get her done. So I just had a construction guy call me, or Sam, he's the head over all the remodels and stuff. He's out of Cincinnati. So he wanted to know how that contractor, how she got finished up yesterday. And I said she wasn't even half done. So I'm going to do a walkthrough real quick on it and see what all she got done. I'm here to do grounds. It's a real small property. Take me 5 minutes. So cool beans. This is Robert Hawk. It's all these little ranches, and then you got these big 3-story. That's something you don't see every day. It's most likely the guy that lives right there. Yeah, he's got an electric bike too. He's kind of handicapped, but let's go over and check his unit out. Yep, about the same. It's supposed to have been done a week ago. Oh well, not my problem. This is one of the properties I take care of, this building here. And that over there's 110. Anyways, I just built that. That's Chewy. You know, the pet supply company? That's Chewy's new warehouse. That freaking thing, it's huge. It goes down about 1/4 mile. It's huge, man. Anyways, let's go on to work. All right, so we're back here on this turn real quick. I gotta sand it down. You can see how smooth that is. All these little highlights. So no big deal. We're gonna get this sanded down. I just want to show you what I use. So my shop vac has a bag in it, and that eliminates any dust blowout. And then this is the sander I use. What it does is it sucks. It has holes in it, and it sucks the drywall dust right in there. So that way I don't get dust all over the place. So we get this sanded down, get her painted, or a coat of paint on it for right now. All right, so on this dishwasher, and it's vacant, it's leaned in like really, really bad. See that? You can barely see, it's not even flush. So if you look underneath here for the mounts, it's screwed in all the way. So what they did was they just slid it back and screwed it up. And you can see here, that mount is not proper at all. So we're gonna have to dismount it. You can see right there, right here. That mount is not right. It's up in the countertop. It needs to be out here on this edge. So I disconnect it, slide it out, and readjust. What they did, and I don't know why, but the rear mount is screwed almost all the way out. So the back of the dishwasher is jacked up. That don't make any sense. So we'll have to readjust the whole thing. I've already had to pull it out. I've already had to pull the whole thing out just to get those legs. See, they bent the legs up on it. These legs are supposed to be, these mounts are supposed to be all the way out. Let's get to working on it. I don't know if you remember, but remember, if you do remember when I pulled the door out the second day I was here, how the door was all messed up? Well, this spring was off. It's because it was in such a bind getting back in there, so I'll get that back on. I'll show you how I adjust these feet. I have a ratchet. There's multiple sizes for this, but most of the time it's going to be kind of hard considering it's mounted, but most of the time you have to break them loose, especially this one. It looks like it's rusted in place. There we go. Oh, this one was easy to get out. Most of the time they're so freaking hard you can't get them to screw down, but it is what it is, brah. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, this one here, I can't get the ratchet back in there. So we'll have to do it the old way. Just screw it, bro. Just screw it. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I got the legs readjusted. What it was they had them back feet way out too far, and because the dishwasher was mounted to back too far, it wanted to tip up. So I've got these feet readjusted. That's remounted. The countertop is too low. I had to pry it up to get it in there. It don't look like it, but it doesn't look like it, but it is. And then the garbage, the dishwasher drain line was laying down. So I undid it and turned it around. It's in a torque spot. So I'll zip tie it and we'll be good to go on this one. Okay, got that unit done. 88 there. Got all that cleaned up, everything out of there. So we'll come back over here to 110. We're gonna check out this leak underneath the sink. It is what it is, bro. It's Friday, man. Change these. I'll keep checking. Well, that was a good one. I'd never seen that before. That was a good one. Okay, so all of her drain line was dry underneath that sink. So I'm running everything hot water. Nothing. I'm not getting anything, right? I turned it over to the garbage disposable side, let it run, nothing. I go over and flip the switch, nothing. So I'm telling the tenant that I don't know where, I can't find a leak, right? Just as I said that, I looked down and a drop of water hit the paper towel. You know the knockout for the garbage disposable for the dishwasher to hook up? She don't have a dishwasher. But somebody knocked it out, knocked that little plastic part out. So it's just wide open. So most likely what happened was she had some water in there, or, you know, I don't know. Washing dishes probably, I don't know. But that's the only water leak I can find. That's funny, man. I've never seen that before. I don't know how, I don't know where I'm going to figure out with this. I got to find some kind of a 3/4 cap to go on that. This will be interesting. It never changes, man. Every day. This is the fiasco I come up with. It's a dishwasher connection to the garbage disposable with a 3/4 cap. Tighten up, cut this off, slide it on. That'll be good to go. That's what I had to do. Hey, put a cap on that. That'll work, bro. Well, this has been a crazy week, guys. Man, this wore me out too. I got all this extra work because the other maintenance guy quit. That's the only reason why I'm over here at this side of the property. I only have like 165 units I take care of, but now I got an additional whatever. I think it's like 290 now that I'm taking care of right now. It's really not that bad. It's all piddly crap, but it's a lot of driving because we don't have a maintenance shop. You know, like in most complexes, they'll have a maintenance shop and all the parts are there. You just go there and get what you need. I don't have that. I got parts scattered out all over the place. Most of the time, I don't even mess with it because it's so disorganized. Anyways, it is what it is, man. I get paid good to do this, so. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this week. Appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. We'll go from there, man. We start it all over again next week. God bless you, man. We will see ya. And what do? Get her done, man. Get her done.